When I came in, this is how it was begun. When I came in, it was only the legislature that had full autonomy. The legislature. So the first outing I had with the judiciary, at the start of their year. And then with the local government leaders, I made it very clear that it is a law on autonomy and they have it. So when I speak about this very passionately, it's because I'm not hiding nothing. Our local government autonomy is sacrosanct and they have it. The judiciary also have their own autonomy. These are verifiable facts. So when you hear the shenanigans talk about non-autonomy of the legislature, of the local government, of the judiciary, why are you not interfacing directly with those who are manning our local governments, with the judiciary even in the state, and then with the legislature itself? And they are truly applying this well, they are. As I speak now, on their own, our local governments have also declared emergency on road infrastructure. And they have turned a number of areas in their local government into work sites. And that is exciting. Where do you think the money is coming from? It's what they get. They are very directional about this. And then they have taken up on those projects. And they are doing them. So it's a plus. Not just to us, also to the law on autonomy itself. And I believe and I encourage every other person who is not on this path to move into it as well. Because it works. How does it work? It's already freed my mind on a lot of things. I have less headaches. All I do is supervision. Get out there, cross-check. If it doesn't work, and then my life is even easier. Once I point it out, I say, you received this last month. Let them understand how it's spent. So I receive all the reports, and it's less stressful on me. It's less stressful. So what have you put in place? If you say insecurity, itemize, have insecurity, got all this spent. If you say it's farm, I need to understand that. So my role there primarily now becomes supervisory. And I have less headache. So once you have the right people in those places, and then the rest of it gets a very seamless flow. So it's ideal. Benue State is #1 compliant on autonomy.